What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back with an impromptu video. Got this from Godox. Super excited because I'm using a Godox light right now. Now, officially, this is not a sponsored video. I was not paid for this, but I did receive this product for free, and I'm going to spend a lot of money producing the video, time, and money. So I'm really not getting it for free. I'm really working for it, but I really do want to let you guys know whenever I get something for free because it's the right thing to do. So in this video, guys, we're going to take a look at the Godox X3C. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what comes in the box. See, me and Carolyn have been going out places and doing all sorts of cool photography, and I have a bunch of different lenses to try out. We now have these cinema lenses right here, and I really hope I do this product justice because I am pretty new with the whole photography thing. All right, let's check out this Godox X3C TTL flash trigger. Okay, really excited for this Godox X3C. Here, this is a wireless flash trigger, and it looks like it's a TTL wireless flash trigger, X3C. Delicate and portable design, definitely. Powerful wireless function, multiple flash modes, compatible with Godox 2.4 wireless transmission, cool. TTL auto flash, manual flash, and multi-flash are available. Okay, we got various sync options and precise power adjustment. Really excited for this as I have been doing a lot more photography lately. The Godox X3C. Oh, it's tight. Okay, wow, that is cool. It's so small. Smells really good. So that is muy bueno. And let's see, anything else in here? Nothing except for a cable. Okay, the cable itself, and we do have some instructions. Let's just go through this real quick. Okay, we got some Godox QC pass, and we got a nice thick manual, so that is really cool. And I'm guessing because it's Godox, they are going to give a USB-C. Yep, can always count on Godox to give you a nice cable. Not the highest quality in the world, but definitely will get the job done. Okay, really nice packaging there. Godox package. And this tiny little bugger. My lord, that is so cool, man. Wow. This thing is freaking tiny, man. It's so small. Really tiny here, and very nice. And it looks like we've got a plastic housing with some metal connections and a release button right there. Looks like we got a flash button, a power button, and the little knob they were talking about. And the release button feels really good. There's some texture there so you know which button you're hitting. And let's just turn it on very quickly. Wow, look at that color screen. That is beautiful. Okay, so we've got plus and minus and a stop button. Then we have this here like so. And you can change it like that, but you can also touch the screen there, so that is really cool. And look at all that. Wow. And it's A and F, AE and F9, so really cool there. AE and F9 when you swipe that way, so that's probably how you make the channels. And we have sound, we have lock. Okay, okay, this brings you here, auto, manual, TTL. Wow, that's really cool. I'm not going to press the lock button again, but the letters are in Chinese, unfortunately. Let me see if I could change this. World, there's a world, English, there we go, perfect. Okay, that's awesome. So I'm glad that was easy to do because it would have been a little difficult there. Okay, so we got reset, device info, screen, TCM, my. They have a lot of settings there, so that is awesome. I like the shadow of the words, trigger distance, step, auto off, shoot, wireless, and sync. Wow, that is cool. Front curtain, high speed, rear curtain. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want there. Minimum power, zoom. Wow, this thing has a lot of cool stuff here. All right, device info 1.16, and this is the X3C. Really cool, but we got to throw this on the Canon and give it a shot here. I got 2 Godox flashes to use, so let's go, guys. I still do want to get